Today we unboxing a multi-function spray gun from Parkside, and we want to see how well it does watering the plants. For all you guys that you're wondering if you have to spend £50 to buy a Hozelock, let's test this.
Yeah.
Hello guys, I'm Mr. D.
I'm Zoe.
So as you can see, we have multi-functions on the sprayer. So we have the normal watering, we have the jet, we have the vertical one, the slow water one, and you can choose all these settings by turning the device. So the other function is you use this to control the flow up and down. But you're gonna say to me, okay, how we start the flow? You press it once, it stays in. You press it twice, it stops the water completely. So you have control and you have start and stop. But let's go to the demonstration straight away. So let's demonstrate the settings that you can do. So Joy is gonna press the button. And we're gonna control the water flow. So you can see that we can put more water or less water. So let's turn and see the other settings.
Oh.
So this is the vertical, and then let's see this one. So this is the jet. Okay, next one. This is the normal steam or mist. Steam, I don't know why I say steam, mist. And this has to be the slow water. It is the one you usually use on the sensitive plants like the rose bushes, so you don't want to drown them, and there is some plants that you don't want to throw water on the leaves. So let's see if we have any more.
One more.
So this is again a siphon, if you want to say.
Gentle one.
Gentle one, but you can change the speed again. Yes, you can change the speed. And I think this is all the settings, is it?
Yes. And obviously.
And you just press the button and it stops. We can see that the plastic is very good for what it is. It was very inexpensive, and there is no leaks.
No, there's no.
There is no leaks. So we're gonna just water some plants with you guys, and we're gonna show you a surprise in the end, because last year we couldn't demonstrate another garden essential. We're gonna show you something in the end.
Yes.
So stay tuned to see the end. This is the planters from last year. The self-watering planters, and they keep very well. We don't see any damage from the rain or from the sun. And we continue. You see that that is very fine, and it's very handy, guys. You stop it, you press the button and you stop it.
You save water.
You save water.
You can also use the mist to clean your plants. Like that was a bit dusty.
On your planters.
Yes. So I would like to water my hanging basket, but normally what happens is the water pressure is a bit too high and I end up accidentally knocking some of the compost and soil out of my hanging basket. So you can, I had it on low, you can lower the pressure. No mess. perfect watering.
You love this setting, are you?
Yes, I do. Because you can control it and do whatever you like. Water most of the plants.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
So it's very handy.
Yes, it is.
So guys, if you see this in Lidl aisle, just
Suggested, yeah.
grab it because very cheap and very handy, and it's very practical. But I'm very happy with what it does. Suggest this product.
Yes.
And if Zoe doesn't want to say something else,
I am very happy with it. For the price of it, it does an excellent job.
so we're gonna go to the surprise now.
Yep.
So this is the surprise we wanted to show you from last year, but we didn't have the chance because of the ban. We couldn't water the plants, so we couldn't use it. So this is a Hozelock, wall mounted. Basically, you can use this. You can put it on the floor, but you can attach it on the wall as you see here. It's very easy if you use this and the front of it. You can retract your hose, and if you buy this, which is very inexpensive, the rollers, it helps you guide the hose inside. You can use this.
Yes. Yeah, it likes to go that way.
You just tangle it somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah. And it's tidy and clean. This is the Hozelock. You can find it on Screwfix, or you can follow the link on the description and get it. It's very inexpensive, not as expensive as the other version of it, but we are very happy and we suggest this too. And in this one, they include the hose, this spray nozzle. They include this adapter, and they include not this one. They include another nozzle for the bottom of your hose. This is an extra adapter that we put because we use the pressure washer, and basically it's the reverse valve that you have to have at your house if you want to use a pressure washer, or a proper anti-reverse valve, but we bought from Hozelock. That one is more expensive. If you like more details about this one, you can ask on the comments. And we are very happy with the hose itself because it's UV resistant, so, and it's very flexible, and as you can see, all winter it didn't get damaged by the frost.
No.
Grab this today, and thank you very much for watching this video, and we're gonna be back with more gardening and exciting tools.
Yes, we will.
So thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.